se entrou na minha vida.
Hello everyone, it's me again, and welcome back to another video, but this time this one's going to be Cracker Edition. So last time I did the Grape Edition video, but I still haven't gotten it uploaded yet, so I'm planning on doing that. And later on when dinner time rolls around, I'm going to do another food tasting video, but the third one is going to be Dinner Edition. And the reason why I decided to do 3 videos of myself tasting the crackers and the grapes and the dinner foods is because I don't want these videos to be too long, and therefore I want to be able to upload them. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to it, because I have 107 subscribers on my page right now, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want me to do some more solo freestyles with Super Pop on Smule, let me know in the comments of what song of Smule that you would like me to do next. So without further ado, here's my second video that I'm recording right now, which is Cracker Edition. And yeah, the reason why I'm taking a cracker break as well is because my stomach needs a little time to calm down, especially since I had that vomiting episode today. So let's get to it. Let's put on my relaxing music and give this a little relaxing touch. And let's get to it, guys. Again, I'm going to do this with my right hand while I hold my camera with one hand. Sorry about that. Alright, let's get to it. Alright. I sure hope that you guys are enjoying me doing this. So, yeah. So I thought I'd give this one a try as well. And I thought, hey, yeah, why not give it a shot? I mean, I've seen some food videos on YouTube lately, but I thought I'd go ahead and give them a try. So, yeah. Oh yeah, don't mind me if I'm trying to chew with my mouth closed, guys. Because you'll probably hear me chew with my mouth closed like a horse here, so yeah. Oh! Looks like I gotta stop dropping crumbs all over the place, guys. Oops, excuse me, sorry about that. Alright. Oh! Oh! There's a crumb that fell on me. Here. Alright, hold on, let me just skip this ad. I'm gonna turn my music down a little bit. There we go. Sorry if my iPad's background music was loud, guys. Sorry. Like I said, I may not eat all of these crackers that are in here, but I'm trying to eat some of them so that my stomach can settle afterwards. Because I think we're gonna have dinner soon, so yep. Stay tuned for the dinner edition video that I'm gonna do later on, guys. It feels like I'm chilling in a stream or something. Holy crap. Like, holy crap, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, wow. Oh my god, guys, that's just so creepy. Ew. Oh, these crabs have got my hair on them. Ew. Ah. Ew. What a mess. hold on guys, let me just throw these crumbs in the trash, so hold on a second. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to wipe my iPad table down too. Okay, I'll just brush these off. But if they don't come off, I'll have to wipe them off. So sorry about that, guys. That was really rude of me to leave crumbs everywhere. But good thing they can be all brushed off and vacuumed up. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh. Oh. That's so hard for me to do with one hand, guys. Holy crap. Oh. 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 Looks like I'll throw these ones in the trash now. Sorry guys, but it looks like I'm gonna have to do this with my left hand since, you know, I'm left-handed and all that. Because doing this with my right hand is kind of hard. But doing it with my left hand is the easy bit, so don't mind me, guys. Okay, get those crumbs off the floor. Oh, oh, and I dropped my camera. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, I probably will not eat all these, but I will eat some of these just to... Oh, oh, whoa. Oh, whoops. All right. There, that way you guys can see me. Well, kind of, but... Wow. This time, guys, I'm doing the cracker eating challenge without trying to, you know, make a mess. Even though I gotta clean this up. And don't mind me if I'm listening to some relaxing music. Sorry about that, guys. That's just not my bad. My bad. Oh, cracker in my right hand. Glad I caught you, even though I took a bite out of you. Wow. Don't mind me if I'm gonna do like a 12-minute and 7-second video of this. Like a 12-minute and 10 video of this, guys. Because I would be able to edit this, right? Alright. Here we are. Alright, looking good. For this, I'll do like an 11-second video of this, or I'm thinking more like a 11-minute and 15-second video of this. So yeah, so don't mind me, guys. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Oh, sorry, I got chew with my mouth closed, guys. You can still hear me chewing like a horse here. Like a horse in a barn. Even though I'm not in a barn, obviously. So here in the bedroom chilling. love God, I better try not to make a mess. Oh, a little crumb. Oh, did I catch it? Apparently not. I mean, I gotta wipe my table down too, guys. It's covered in my crumbs everywhere. Oh, Watch Mine, thank you for notifying me about YouTube. Now shut up. I'm in the middle of trying to finish this here, so that later on I could do a dinner edition of this video itself. Which is why I'm doing not one but 3 videos of this today, guys. Alright, you know what, let me just go ahead and just try this with my left hand, because it's easier doing it that way. I will hold my phone with my other hand. And do this with my left hand. Alright, but not make this too long at all, guys. Alright. Alright. Time to stop right there. And yeah, that was my cracker challenge eating video. So, hold on, there we go. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way, guys, because I've got some more solo freestyles on Seal coming up, along with some other videos too. So stay tuned for those, guys, and yeah, hopefully I'll make sure that things get back to normal in real life. So yeah, this is me, Katrina Carlson, signing off. Like I said, peace out. See you next time.